This is Spring Fever in the Garden, an annual garden show on, appropriately, Plant Street in Winter Garden, Florida. This is the 21st installment of the annual show put on by the Bloom and Grow Garden Society. The town sealed off 8 blocks along its main drag through historic downtown. There were 170 exhibitors, chalk art that took over City Hall, and of course, tons of dogs. Wouldn't be Winter Garden without Pups.
You like your goggles?
He's a big boy.
He is.
Let's use my spoon.
And he's only going to get a little bigger. He's 11 months.
Then there was the gasoline-powered homemade ice cream.
Enjoy that.
My favorite part was the Pollinator Power booth. You could commune with butterflies inside this tent. The butterflies were then released after the 2-day event ended. I swear I was seeing them for 2 weeks after the show was over.